Parehong sumumpa sa habang buhay na pagsasama, sa hirap at ginhawa. May halong kaba, kaunting luha sa mata, pero dulot ay saya.
I vow to you that my life, whatever may life bring, I will always be right by your side. Share the good and the bad, the victories and failures, in all our joys and sadness, to be your cheerleader and fan.
1,000 times of walking down the aisle only for you. Take my hand, we'll run like lovers do. Taking chances is easier with you. Every moment.
Marami pa kayong matutuklasan. Pero kung may respeto sa ngalan ng pag-ibig at katapatan, hindi ito makasisira sa pagsasamang panghabang buhay.
Mountain hiking in Baguio. That time, paras mi joiner, paras mi way kaila.
Pagdating ko doon, ano siya parang smiley face agad. Ginreet ko agad siya na parang, hello. Tapos, cute.
Something happened when we met. Life turned on its head, only for you. Those three words when they were said, they were always meant only for you. Take my hand, like lovers do.
Salamat sa pagmulang. Congratulations.
Ayaw, lang ako, magandang nagpapalito.
Every moment, let us hear it's true. God only knew. I've been waiting only for you.
What is it? Camera!
Sa pagdating mo sa buhay ko, sa hindi paglisan, at sa pananatili. Sa lahat-lahat, salamat. I love you, dear. Akit na ulit tayo ng mundo.
All my love is for you. All my life I do. All my life I do. All my love is for I've been waiting. I've been praying.
Maging tapat, maging mangingibig, mamuhay sa pag-ibig at katapatan, marami pang biyayang darating na inyong mapagsasaluhan at mapanghahawakan para ang pagsasamang panghabang buhay mapanindigan.
Wala akong bibitawang promise, pero magpapasalamat ako kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko.
Whatever may life brings, I will always be right by his side and to support you no matter what, to be your #1 fan and cheerleader.